How to make a playlist on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically create a playlist on Spotify, you open the Spotify application and then you just make sure that you're signed into your account. Then once you're signed into your Spotify account, you're going to be able to see this type of interface here, where what you need to do is to simply tap the Your Library option from the bottom right of the screen. From Your Library, tap the plus icon from the top right hand side, then just select the option here known as Playlist, and once you tap on Playlist, simply give your playlist a name and then tap the Create option. Now you can choose to add songs to this playlist by simply tapping on Add to this playlist option, and you'll be given some of the recommended songs, or while you're listening to songs you can also choose to add them to your playlist one after another. This way you'll be able to basically create a playlist or make a playlist on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.